Welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to add and associate a map in the showrunnerHUB using Floorplans. We currently have Showrunner University and then Chief Elementary as a node below it. We're going to add a new node by clicking the hamburger button under Showrunner U and click Add Node. Type in the name of the node and click Save. That'll create your new node. We'll then go to Setup, Maps. You'll see School Floor Plan is already there. We're going to add a new map and follow these parameters here. Naming information will be up to you. These will be a good starting point with respect to bound X, Y, and zoom options, but you're welcome to modify those based on the size of your image. But go ahead and put in 1,000 for bound X and bound Y, initial zoom of 1, minimum zoom of -2, maximum zoom of 10. Click Map File Upload, choose your image file. Go ahead and hit Save New Map, and there you'll see that be associated in the Map Management button. We're going to go back to the main showrunnerHUB screen, and we need to click the Firehouse Hamburger menu to associate the map. Choose the Chief Firehouse. We'll go back up to the main Showrunner U, and then click back on Chief Firehouse, and there you'll see your map is loaded and ready to be configured.